Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to manage your inventory with Sage 50 Accounting. So the first thing that you should do is to sign up for an account. So let's try to open a new tab, and then right here we just have to search for Sage. Okay, and then after that you'd be able to see this first website, so you just have to click on this one. But once you're on this page, as you can see, you cannot find here the option where you can sign up. You only have here the login button. So all you have to do is to open a new tab, and then you just have to copy this code right here at the top. So just type out accounting.sage1.co .za/signup/default.aspx, and then you'd be able to see here now the page where you can sign up. So you just have to type out right here your company name, the product type, the country, and then your first name, your last name, your mobile number, and then your email. And then you just have to create your password, confirm your password, and then you just have to type out this once of access code. Then once you're done, you just have to click on this box right here that you have accepted the terms and conditions of the Sage Accounting. After that, just click on sign up and you'd be directed here to your dashboard. So this is just a demo website. So the next thing they should do here is you just have to click on the items option or your inventory. Okay, so this one right here at the top. So here you can add an item. You'd be able to see here the list of your item, the transaction, the special, and then the reports. Okay, so when you clicked on the list and clicked on the list of items, okay, so you'd be directed to this page and you'd be able to see here now the list of your items, and one by one you'd be able to see here as well the details of your items. Okay, so say for example you would like to import an item, so you just have to click on import items. Then after that you just have to import the data from CSV. So the first step is to upload your CSV file. Next, map import file fields, and the last one is the CSV import results. So here you just have to select what to import, then the CSV file, date, format, and then the CSV input file. Okay, so now I'm going to show you as well on how you can add an item. So just go back to your dashboard and click on the item, and then click on the add an item. Okay, that's right. And then the next thing that you should do now is to type out right here the code of your item. Then after typing out the code of your item, you can now type out the description. And then you just have to select the category and then the item type. So we have physical and service. So I'm going to select physical for this one. Okay, so for the category, I'm going to select apparel. And then for the item type is physical. And then here at the top right, you'll be able to see here now the opening cost. And then you have to select this box right here to make this item active. And then at the bottom, you have here the details of your new item. You have the price list, the activity, the notes, the used to find fields, the purchase graph, sales purchase graph, and then the picture. So you just have to input right here all of the important details of your new item. Then after that, you can now click on the save and new or click on save. So basically, effective inventory management and Sage Accounting ensures accurate stock control, cost saving, and increased profitability. If you're managing a business with inventory, Sage can streamline operations, automate processes, and improve financial accuracy. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.